Hey there, fellow gamers. Are you ready for an epic gaming experience that's going to blow your mind? Today, I'm excited to share with you my hands-on review of the ASUS ROG Strix G16, a beast of a laptop that's packed with powerful specs and features to take your gaming to the next level. First off, let me tell you about the power behind this machine. It's powered by an Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX, which is basically a super efficient brain that helps it handle demanding tasks like gaming with ease. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, which is essentially a tiny powerhouse that makes your graphics look smoother and more vivid than ever before. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal about the GPU? Well, let me tell you, this baby's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. With NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, it can render frames at incredible speeds, making your games look like a dream. And with Max-Q technologies, it can all happen without overheating, so you don't have to worry about your laptop burning up under the intense heat. But wait, there's more. The ROG Strix G16 also comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5-5600 MHz memory, which is basically a fancy way of saying more RAM than you know what to do with. This means you can multitask like a pro, switching between games, videos, and emails without any lag or slowdowns. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which is essentially a lightning-fast hard drive that loads your games in seconds. Now let's talk about the display. Oh boy, the display. The ROG Strix G16 boasts an incredible 165Hz FHD plus screen, which means you get silky smooth visuals with a response time of just 3 milliseconds. That's crazy fast for a display that's meant to handle fast-paced games and action-packed movies. And with ACR film technology, it reduces glare and enhances contrast, making your gaming experience feel more immersive than ever. But what really sets this laptop apart is its cooling system. The ROG Strix G16 features an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal applied to the chipset. Talk about a serious cooling setup. This means that your laptop stays cool under pressure, even during marathon gaming sessions or intense video editing. And with stealth mode, you can turn off all lighting for a sleek, professional look. And finally, let's not forget about the aesthetics. The ROG Strix G16 has got some serious style cred, courtesy of its full surround RGB light bar that syncs perfectly with your keyboard and peripherals. You can customize the colors to match your mood or style, making this laptop a true reflection of your gaming personality. In short, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is an absolute beast of a laptop that's designed specifically for serious gamers like you. With its powerful specs, stunning display, and advanced cooling system, it's an investment worth considering if you want to take your gaming experience to new heights. So what do you think? Are you ready to join the ROG squad and unleash your inner gamer? Check out the link below to get the best price on this incredible laptop and start gaming like a pro.